Today we're going to walk you through the proper setup for the Jefferson County Practical Exam. Before we begin, let's go over a few guidelines to ensure everything runs smoothly. Your first task is to sanitize your hands and prepare your workstation area for your client. Make sure your workstation is clean and organized to create a professional environment. You have 10 minutes to complete this section of the exam. At the 5-minute mark, you will be notified that you have 5 minutes remaining. The Universal Supply Kit helps you stay organized and serve as a dry storage area. It should be easily closable to prevent cross-contamination. All items you will need in your Universal Supply Kit should already be labeled in English. The items you will need are hospital-grade EPA registered disinfectant, hand sanitizer, clipper cleaner, containers for disinfection, soil linen, and trash, a first aid kit, paper towels, protective capes, white cloth towels, hair clips or clamps, combs, hair brushes, spray bottles with water, protective cream, gloves, clippers, shears, razors, guards, or detachable blades. Ensure that all items have been properly disinfected. Once completed, take a step back to indicate that you have finished the setup process. Great job! You are now ready to tackle the Jefferson County Practical Exam setup.